if you've got a video in Canva and you want to fade it in from black, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So here we have a video. If we go ahead and preview it, you can see that it actually fades in from black background. Now, if you've got Canva Pro, you can make this fade in much longer, but if you're on the free version, I'm going to show you how you can get it done right now. So what you first need to do, once you've gone ahead and opened up your video, is import the video into a Canva project. Now, I'm assuming that most of you already have that. So here we are in my Canva project. Now, what I've done is I've gone to the upload section, I've uploaded the video, and I've dragged it on here. So I'm going to delete this and we're going to start from scratch. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and drag on our video. Now, no matter what video it is, what I would recommend you do is right click on the video and you want to go ahead and click detach from background. By doing that, it's then going to show you the background of your project or your page. You can click on the background and by default it will be white. You want to change it to black, and this is how we're going to get the fade in effect. Now, once you've changed it, you will then have to get your video, line it up with the project, and just make sure that everything is obviously lined up correctly and you've got the dimensions all good. Now what we can do from here is we can go ahead and simply right click on the video, then go to animate, and by default you will have no animation. You want to click on fade, then click on enter. And here's what I mean about Canva Pro. If you've got Canva Pro, you can go ahead and drag this speed bar up. If you don't have it, it won't let you. But you can then essentially fade your clip in from black to the actual clip, and the speed is going to depend on this bar here. So that's how I would do it. I hope that video helped.